overnight, the winds overnight have really helped keep temperatures warm. We're starting in the 60s, and we're going to see showers later on today. Now, once we get in towards your start of the work week, we start Monday with some showers, but then our focus really turns towards our next chance for thunderstorms. That will arrive Monday night, so late Monday night into the early morning hours of your Tuesday. So we'll be talking about that in just a second, but I wanted to give you a heads up on that before we get there. And then once we get into Tuesday afternoon, things are starting to dry out. Behind that, we may see a bit of a break into Wednesday, but really our focus, I think, for this period going to be Monday night into Tuesday. We'll get to that in just a second. Carbondale right now, again, dry but cloudy. We're watching a few light showers moving in across the region, but most of that starting to break apart, and it's been a very light sprinkle. So most folks still this morning going to stay dry until we get that next round later on this afternoon. 62 degrees right now in Carbondale, so it's a very warm start to the morning. If you can, get out and enjoy it. We will continue to warm this morning. We're not going to see a big cool down. Some of the rain may cool things down a bit, and the cloud cover going to really keep our ceiling low as far as how high we can climb temperature wise. But here's a look at what we're seeing. A few light sprinkles here or there, and even under these little blips of green. I'm not certain that we're seeing that rain make it to the ground. Some dry air here at the surface, but we will see another round push our way. And what we're seeing is this moisture just south of, I guess, a line from Memphis over to Little Rock. That's going to move northward towards us, and we'll see that rain later this afternoon. So we will expect widespread scattered showers across the region, but later today. So most of your morning dry and relatively warm. And once we get into the afternoon, that's where we're a bit on the cooler side, so we won't quite get as warm as yesterday. Part of that going to be the rain. The rain starts to arrive by, we'll say, early afternoon at best for some folks, I think, to the south. Some folks already seeing a few light showers, but we'll get a bit of a break before this next round. And that rain continues to spread northward, and we'll see light showers across the region. We may see a few thunderstorms as we get into the late overnight hours and early hours tomorrow. Not expecting those to be severe. We're really turning our attention to what comes next, coming down the pipeline. So here we go. Fast forward to Monday evening. So most of the day Monday, we're looking at partly cloudy skies. We may see some breaks in there. In this kind of dry area, we'll see a bit of a break in the rain, and we'll see some warming, and that will kind of set us up for our next chance for storms as this next boundary moves in. Again, this low moving in, and we may even see strong to severe storms with this as we get into the late hours of Monday. Notice we're here close to midnight Monday night and early Tuesday morning. So again, the chance for storms going to be significant enough that the Storm Prediction Center has issued a SPC an outlook for this. We're in a 2 out of 5 on the scale. That puts us in the slight risk, and you can see that encompasses really the entirety of the region. And our main threat's really going to be damaging wind and hail, but we can't rule out a tornado or two with this as well, as there's enough turn in the atmosphere, I think, that we could see that be a possibility. So keep that in mind. Download the Storm Track 3 weather app and make sure your severe weather radio or your NOAA weather radio is working. Today, we're a bit quieter. We see a chance for showers this afternoon. Temperatures topping out in the low 70s, so a bit cooler than yesterday, about 10 degrees or so. Tonight, we'll be down into the 60s, still relatively warm, keeping the chance for, again, thunder possibilities we get late into the night. Again, not severe. We don't look at the severe chance until we get towards Monday night, Tuesday morning. We'll be watching that for that time period. But behind that, you can see I have got AM storms. So morning storms on Tuesday. I think that means Tuesday afternoon we're mostly dry. And then Wednesday, a dry day, a mostly sunny day. So your choice day to get out and about, perhaps Wednesday, or maybe even Monday during the middle part of the day. It won't be terrible. And then we've got more chances for showers towards the end of the work week.
All right. Thank you, John.
You're welcome.
The